Hey everybody, Leigh Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades. Let's talk about our trade of the week because it did exactly what I said it would. We've been trading the WASDE report forever. It's one of our favorite events. But you still want to be careful and understand you could lose money trading futures. I had 3 different setups going on this report. I had a trap trade, which is a special reversal trade on corn. That got canceled. It didn't fill. The breakout on the left is what I was concentrating on with soybeans. I also, blocked by my head, had a reversal trade put on because I thought that what would happen is we would get a breakout, meaning it would either go up or down, give us a profit, and then change direction. Watch what happens because it did exactly what I said. It's going to wind up going to the downside. I saw that the low of the day could be a test, but because the market movement was so poor on the breakout, I combined my orders with the combine button into one and took a reasonably quick profit. Watch. Right there. Okay, it had filled me short. It didn't barely get my first target. I got out of the trade, but then it did what I thought it was going to do. I wanted to take a reversal at the low, and you could see right here that it tested the low, and then I was kind of disappointed because I wanted it to actually touch the low and maybe break it, and then I would take my reversal. I thought, and I was saying in the trade room, well, what a shame I missed the reversal, so we're only going to have a very small profit. And then the market did us a favor. It went back down and tested the low, retested it, and popped through it. And that's where we took our reversal. The reversal worked exactly as we thought. I grabbed a quick profit on our reversal. Right here I got in. Right there I'm going to get out. I used the PP as my target. I jumped out a little bit early because I'm a lunatic. I always do that. You shouldn't do what I do. You should do what you think is the right analysis. We grabbed a little bit more profit on the WASDE, and it traded exactly the way we thought. Gave us a nice little profit. And that was our trade of the week. We love when an event does what we expect. That's the WASDE, this week's trade of the week. I hope you enjoyed watching us on YouTube as well because we streamed it. Take care, everyone. I hope you're having an awesome weekend. Leigh Goldstein for 10-Minute Trades, signing out.